All right, we got a GE washer, and we're going to change this agitator. It can be a little tricky, so I want to see if I can get you guys, show you how to do it. All right, all right guys, so you want to look for the hole and you want to line it up with that dimple. Now, here's a quick and easy and best way to get it off. If you get a screw and you put a piece of tape over that screw, hold it in place, leave it there, put a load in the machine, big load, agitate the machine, it will automatically just come right off. That's the fastest way to do it. It agitates itself off, but you need to remove the screw to be able to do the rest. All right, so here's some more explanation. All right, so this part is the hardest part, so I'm trying to give you a better visual. You see that dot? You need to line that dot up with the hole that you're gonna be inserting the screwdriver into. That's the best angle. I'm moving it really slow so you can see it. Once you've lined those up, then you'll be able to get the screwdriver in. I couldn't really see it. You can kind of feel for it, but your best bet is to just insert the screwdriver, rotate it until it falls in, and you'll see it or feel it. Takes a minute or so once you get the screwdriver through. All right, so right now we're through because you need to be able to hold it. Now, all right, so what we're gonna do, we got our screwdriver in. I'm gonna twist it really fast and I'm gonna pop it up. There are the tabs, screwdriver, it comes up, pain in the butt. Really fast, you turn it, it will come, okay. There are the tabs, they lock in, so you go that way to release the tabs, okay. You can see the tabs underneath and how they lock. So I'm going to be pulling this out 7/16 and I'm going to take a look underneath. All right, so it's time to put it back. All right, you see all those 4 tabs? And you see all these? They're going to lock in. That's what they do. All right, so you got to line it up. Once you do, you're going to turn it to lock it. So, line it. Or you can just grab this part. If you have a pipe wrench, ratchet strap, or anything, turn it fast. It will lock. All right,